to this week's video. So today's video is sponsored by Airheads Gummies. So guys, today we're gonna have a really fun day and do some really exciting things. But before we go, I gotta tell you about these new Airheads Gummies that come in all these fun shapes and flavors. All right, let me show you. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna have the watermelon flavored bow tie. It's so cute. Okay. Wow, I like them. They're really good. You know what? It's a beautiful day outside. Zach! Zach, do you want to go to the beach? Zach, want to go to the beach?
No!
Zach!
No! No! No!
Zach, it's a beautiful day. Let's go to the beach.
Fine.
Zach, let's go.
Fine.
Let's go and
Fine.
play at the beach. Let's do it, Zach. Come on, let's get up. Get up, Zach. Let's do it. Zach, let's do it. Come on. Come on, Zach. Come on. Zach, it's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah, you're right. I know. I think it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
But Zach, you know what? You know what, Zach?
What?
Zach, you know what?
What? What?
You know what, Zach? We need to bring a friend.
Yeah, we do, honestly.
Yeah. Is that Larry?
What is Larry doing at the park? Is he meditating?
Larry!
Larry, you want to go to the beach?
Let's go to the beach, Larry!
The door's locked, dog. Let's go to the beach, dog. Yeah, dude.
You ready, Larry?
Yeah, dog. Let's go to the beach, dog.
Wait, Larry, why are we just meditating at the park?
Yeah.
Dude, you know, before I get my surf session, dog, you know, I like to meditate, get cheap with it, you know.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
No, first, dog. Let's go.
All right, so we made it to the beach, and I gotta say the weather is nice.
It's
bright
a
and
beautiful
sunny.
day.
It's amazing out here, dude.
How would you say the weather is, Larry?
All right, we got like 2 degrees going south with the wind, you know.
How's the waves?
I think the way, you know, the swells are pretty good today, you know.
We got some 10-footers out there.
We got some like crashing down, like, you know, yeah.
Yeah, comment down below if you understood anything he just said.
Yeah, dude, you did.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm ready to do some challenges today.
Yeah, I'm ready too.
Let's
Yeah.
do it. I think I'm gonna have a blue raspberry flavored sunglass.
Oh, the sunglasses, dude.
Yeah.
How is it, dude? Oh my god, dude.
Whoa!
Oh, I got the strawberry balloon. Whoa, dude. It's like bending, bro. Whoa, dude.
All right. I want another one.
Oh, which one are you gonna get, Sophie?
I'm gonna have a cherry mustache.
Hey, dude, like, you got some, like, stuff going down, like, on your face, dude.
What? This?
Yeah, dude, like.
Oh, I've
you got,
had
like-
that on.
Oh, yeah, dude?
Anyways, let's get on with the challenges.
Alright, Sophiers.
All right.
I challenge you to tie your hands behind your back and try to catch a frisbee, dude. Boom. Can you do that?
Boom. I'll try.
Boom.
Boom. Get the boom out of the frame. Boom.
Dude, do you need me to tie you?
No, bro, I got this.
Oh, yeah, dude. You're like a contortionist, right? That's pretty crazy. Whoa, dude. That was
Okay.
pretty crazy, dude.
Let me see if I can do it. Go long.
Me?
Go.
No, you go long, dude.
No, you go.
Alright, dude. Alright, dude. Are you ready, dude?
I'm ready.
Alright, dude. You sure you're ready, dude?
I've been ready, Larry.
Alright, dude. I'm about to throw this frisbee over there, dude. Alright?
Okay, dude.
Alright, dude. Oh, dude. That's the wind, you know, dude. Alright, you go over there, dude. Alright, we gotta.
Okay, dude. I'll go over there, dude. Bruh!
Yeah!
We did it!
Yay! That only took 20,000 tries.
What? Wait,
Two
what?
tries, dog.
2 tries, Zach.
Arm of a legend, dog, right here.
Yay, I got got it. Now I get to try an orange hat. Whoa. Whoa, dude.
You got a fedora, dude.
All right, Larry, I challenge you to drink a water bottle.
Well, I mean, where's this
wait.
water bottle?
Wait, without bending your arm.
Dude, how does that even work, dude?
Well, that's why it's a challenge.
Dude. Oh, jeez, dude.
Right here, dude.
I gotta get the trajectory right, dude.
You gotta drink the whole thing.
I don't know why, dude, but my aim is like really bad, dude.
Finish it, Larry. Daddy.
Mostly on my shirt, dude, but hey, I'll absorb it, dude.
Was that success or not?
Sure,
Zach?
I mean, why not?
Where's my gummy, dude? Alright, dude, now I'm eating the green apple bow tie, dude. Dude, I don't know why, but I feel classy right now.
Classy.
Oh, dude.
You got a bow tie on.
Dude, I'm classy now, dude. Alright, Sophie, I challenge you to juggle water balloons, dude.
Water balloons?
Dude, juggle those water balloons right there, dude.
Whoa, where did these come from?
They just like popped up, dude, and I was like, dude,
are
you
you
gotta
like
juggle.
magical?
Yeah?
All right.
it, dude.
All right, dude.
You got it, Soph.
Okay. Wait!
Hey, guys.
What? Hey! Alright, so since that was kind of a fail,
Here, guys, I got a challenge for both of you.
alright, what is it?
What you got, dude?
First one in the water loses.
Oh, wait, what?
Guys, wait. They really got in the water. Guys.
I won, dude.
No,
Dude.
you realize
Larry-
that
Dude, I won, dude.
guys, you realize that I said first one in the water loses.
I won, though, dude.
Wait, you said
Wait,
first?
what?
First one in the water loses.
We thought you said
Yeah, Larry.
last one to the water loses.
I went to the water, dude.
Larry,
Well, then that means I
I mean,
won. Ha! Ha!
I guess, dude.
I won.
Yeah. I guess you can enjoy that Airheads thing, dude, but I guess, dude. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Look over there, dude.
What, dude?
Hey, dude. Keep looking over there, dude.
Did you really just...
Dude, it's nice out over here, dude.
Alright, so let's move on to the next challenge.
What do we got, dude?
Larry, you aren't ready for this, Larry.
I think I'm ready, dude.
No, Larry, you may think you're ready, but you're not.
Bring it on, dude.
I challenge you to surf a wave
Dude.
doing the splits on the surfboard.
Alright, I can surf waves like 24/7, dude, because like that's what I do, but I don't know about the splits, dude.
Are you good? Can you do the splits?
I mean, that's about as far as it goes, dude.
Listen, Larry, you're an expert at this. You're an expert at surfing. I believe in you. Go out there and make it happen.
Alright, dude. You see that split, dude?
Wait.
Those splits, dude?
I didn't see any splits.
Dude, I just did splits out there, dude. I did.
Hey, what's over there?
Oh, dude. I got another bag over there, dude. Just chilling. I got the final challenge for you, dude.
What is it?
Contortion on a surfboard, dude. Like, you gotta do your, like, contortion stuff, dude. Like on the surfboard,
on the
dude.
surfboard?
yeah, do
Like,
it.
on the surfboard, dude.
You know, I can do it though, cause you know what? You know, when life gives you surfboards, you know, you just gotta like surf the wave, you know?
Pull up those waves. Get those NARS, dude.
All right, well, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You basically got it, bro.
Are you proud of me?
I'm proud, dude. I got that, dude.
You know, when Larry's proud of you for surfing a wave, you know you made it. I made it, Mom. I made it.
All right, Sophie. I think,
They're my hairs.
yeah, dude, but I think, like,
But
I did a good job at, like, watching you, like, do your contortion, so, yeah.
they're my hairs.
Hey, dude, remember that one day when I was, like chilling in my house and, like, I was just, like, you called me and you're like, hey, dude, can you come pick me up? And I was like, Lester doesn't go that way, dude.
Wait, Larry, isn't your name Larry, not Lester?
Yeah, dude, my name's Lester. I mean, Larry, dude.
So guys, check out the new Airheads gummies in fun shapes and flavors. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Smack a like on this video. Smack it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Love y'all. Peace.